This is the weather forecast video for Monday, September the 26th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see the upper level low still in the vicinity near about the Quad Cities, surface low south and east of that, producing some severe weather in that area last evening, and some cloudiness with some showers over the eastern seaboard and over the Pacific Northwest. Watch warning map from just before midnight, some watches, a tornado watch over the Mid-South, freeze and frost advisories over the Pacific Northwest. Otherwise, the rest of the nation was fairly quiet. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. Shows that there could be some substantial rain, especially today, over the eastern counties, where upwards of maybe an inch of rain is possible, with lighter amounts to nothing over the western half. Here's the GFS Model Run, the 0Z run at 1 p.m. today. The upper level low still in the vicinity about near the Quad Cities to Chicago, with moisture spinning around from the east. Could bring some heavy rain over the tri-states of Iowa, Wisconsin, and Illinois. While west of Interstate 35 could see only some clouds and sunshine and highs near 70, while 60s will be to the east. Tuesday, the low is still going to be close enough that there could be some isolated showers, especially in the far eastern quarter of the state, with clouds mainly east of Interstate 35, with temperatures warming up over the west. Wednesday, the upper level low is still close enough that there still could be some clouds. The model wants to show some showers. Those will likely be east of the state. Temperatures will begin to warm at this time. Thursday, moisture will be east of the state, sunshine, seasonal temps in the lower to middle 70s, with maybe some afternoon clouds. Same thing for Friday, with a high pressure over northwestern Minnesota. Will keep temperatures fairly seasonal in the 70s, with some sunshine and partial clouds. Next weekend, Saturday, high pressure directly overhead. We'll see some temperatures around 70 with some afternoon build-up cloudiness. Sunday, same story. Southerly winds will begin to take hold, so temperatures will begin to climb, maybe lower middle 70s as we move into the first weekend of October. Here's a week from today, October the 3rd, a ridge over the area with a big trough over the New England states and another one, a broad one over the Pacific Northwest. We'll have a high pressure about near Cincinnati, southwesterly winds bringing some warm air and temperatures likely in the lower to middle 70s with sunshine at that time. Move ahead further into Voodoo, October the 6th, a big trough over the Plain States as the ridge begins to be shunted off to the east. And with that, especially with that, we could see some hefty storm system, likely one of the strongest we've seen in quite a while as we head into the fall season here. So we could see some wind and rain and maybe a thunderstorm. And at the end of the forecast, October 11th, another one, and this one's even deeper, with a center in western Minnesota and southwesterly winds up aloft. And this could be very interesting. That could be a severe weather outbreak over the southern Midwest into the plains, and colder air coming in behind it at that time if this is true. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.